Hey, ever wondered why your website's not ranking even after posting tons of content? Let's fix that with a super quick SEO audit, beginner-friendly and free. I'm Ahsan Rizvi, your SEO buddy. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to audit your website like a pro. No tech headache, I promise. Step 1. Head to neilpatel.com.seoanalyzer or ahrefs.com, site audit. Run a quick scan. If you see red flags like broken links or slow pages, those are your SEO killers. Fix them first. Now open your homepage. Does it have one main keyword in the title, URL, and H1? If not, Google's confused. Use free plugins like Rank Math or Yoast to tidy things up. Next, check your content. Is it helpful, easy to read, and better than what's already ranking? If not, update it. And use Google Search Console to spot pages with low CTR. Those need stronger titles. Go to Ahrefs.com, backlink checker. Spammy links, disavow them. Strong backlinks are like upvotes. The more credible, the better your ranking. Finally, run your site through PageSpeed.web.dev. If your mobile score is below 70, compress images and enable caching. Fast sites, she's happy users, she's higher rankings. And that's your 5-step SEO audit in 2 minutes. If you learned something new, hit like, share it with your SEO curious friend, and follow me for more bite-sized SEO tips. Drop your website in the comments. I might audit it next.